Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Mitsubishi Outlander 2003 to 2006? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they are located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 2003 to 2006 Mitsubishi Outlander, the passenger compartment fuse box manages key interior and body systems such as instrument cluster, interior lighting, power windows, central locking, and audio system, helping ensure reliable operation of everyday cabin functions. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2003 to 2006 Mitsubishi Outlander, the engine compartment fuse box manages core vehicle systems, including engine management, ignition, cooling fans, ABS, fuel pump, charging system, and major lighting circuits, ensuring reliable operation of high-load electrical components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.